Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. It's just me here again. If it's the first time I'm coming by the channel, I'm Nurse Miracle. I'm a nurse and an entrepreneur based in the UK. So, for those of you that are coming back to the channel for the first time, coming by for the first time, thank you so much, guys. And for those joining subscribers, thank you all so much. You are the real MVPs. So, on today's video, I've got a package from Nigeria. Yay. So this order has been, I did it for a very long time. It's been a month now. So it went through hell and heaven before he got here. So it had to go to Netherlands, and then from there it was just a long journey. But yeah, in all I finally got it. And I'm going to be unboxing this with you guys on the channel. Yeah. So as you can see, it's sealed and intact. Okay, so actually, what's in there is Ankara materials, like already made, not already made per se, but like ready to wear Ankara materials. You guys know I love Ankara materials very much, and also it's summer, so it's the season to rock your Ankara. So yeah, I got a few of them. My very good friend OGL Couture is a very big brand in Enugu State. You guys check her out on Instagram and follow her. She makes amazing clothes, amazing design, amazing dresses, traditional wedding, anything you can guests, wedding guests, anything at all. This is not a paid advert, but yeah, you guys should just hit my girl up and don't forget to like follow her when you are there. So without wasting much time, let's get right into this. I'm so excited about this particular unboxing because it's been a long time coming. Like I've been waiting for this for a very long time now, and finally it has arrived. Whoa, you guys, this is a whole lot of materials. Can you take a look at this? These are all. Let me bring this down so you guys can see what I'm saying. These are all Ankara materials. This is, can you guys see this? So I'm going to be wearing these dresses. Some of them are dresses, some of them are shirts, some of them are skirts, some of them are shorts. So I'm going to be wearing them, and I'm going to be showing you guys the fit as usual. Most of you liked the last video I did, the last haul video I did. The was it new look and Temo. Most of you liked it, and I felt this is gonna be like another interesting video for you guys. So hence why I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on, and I'll come back, and you guys are gonna tell me what you think about the look. Okay, all right. So you guys, this is the first outfit. Yo, like just check this out. Yeah, it's actually a very short dress. Okay, so there's a bit of, I don't know, this space is not enough to show you guys the full length of the clothes, so I'll try my best to see. So you guys, this dress, and it really looks cute. Like it just brings out like the whole figure in it. It's really cute, you guys. Like okay, so yeah, this is a very cute dress. So what do you guys think about this dress? Let me know in the comment section. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's move to the next outfit. Okay, I just feel like not taking out this dress at all. Like we're gonna take it out. We'll have lots of dresses to try out. Okay, so guys, this is the second outfit, and this is like a skirt and a top, a crop top. So tied it around the back, yeah, and guys, this is really cute. Like it's giving Barbie, African Barbie, African Barbie, yeah. So this is what it looks like. And it's also short as well. It's almost the same length as the other one, as the other dress. So come on, Barbie, let's go, Barbie. Oh, oh. So you guys, tell me what you think about this dress in the comment section. Okay. Oops. Alright, let's go to the next outfit. Alright, so I think you can use this crop top to pair anything. Literally, you can use to pair a trouser, you can use to pair any other thing, and then you can also use this skirt to pair any other thing. That's the beauty of wearing African prints. Like you can use this to pair any other thing. Yeah. What are you going to pair this outfit with? This with? Tell me in the comment section. Okay. Alright, so this is the third outfit, guys, and this is the third. 1, 2, 1, yeah, it's the third outfit. And this is a dress, a very lovely dress. It's pretty much the same length as the rest of them. Yeah. So I really love the color of this dress, and it's giving bougie bougie vibes. Okay. Anyways, this is a very lovely outfit, very simple casual outfit. You can use it goes anywhere if you don't want any stress. Okay, and it's giving all this new white vibes, like anyway, so you guys let me know what you think about this dress in the comment section. Okay. I played too much, but yeah, this is it. Let's go over to the next outfit, okay? Okay, so you guys, this is the first outfit, and this is a two-piece as well. So this is a crop top and shorts. Okay, so just like the rest of the other two pieces, you can pair them with any other thing. Okay, so yeah, so this is on its own, this shirt is on its own, then the top is on its own, so it can be paired with anything. So I'm putting on this camisole because it was just so much going on here. Okay, I don't want to put in all of that here, so I have to put this on. Imagine like having okay, so you get what I'm saying. Yeah, with that we're not opportunity to have like big there's nothing to hold on to it, so yeah. Okay. You get the drift. Anyway, this is the first outfit. Tell me what you guys think about this outfit in the comment section. Okay, there's a bit of a rope here. So this secures this around here. So whichever way you want to like tie it. Don't mind my tying is a bit rough, but yeah, just a demonstration. No matter they're going to tie it properly. So let me know what you guys think about this outfit in the comment section. Okay. All right. So let's get to the next outfit. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is the fifth outfit. And this is a crop top and a pant. It's a full length pant, like it's all the way down. So that's the length of the pant. So it's quite long. It's really, really long. So this is really nice. It's giving office vibes, like okay class, maybe in this office like you just tie their purse. That's what it's giving. But yeah, this can go on to like any occasion, like going to go with anything, like any occasion at all. You know, really lovely outfit, no exposure, nothing like nothing showing. Yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Right, I really love this outfit. I think this is really my favorite, or one of my favorites. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. Tell me what you think about this dress. No dress. Tell me what you think about this outfit in the comment section. Okay. Okay. So, guys, this is the sixth. I've lost count. Oh my god. So yeah, I think it's the sixth outfit. So this is the two piece, the crop top and a skirt. The skirt is a very short one. Yeah, above the knees. Okay, but it is really, really cute. Guys. It's a really cute outfit. I love it. This is like this is really, really cute. Like this is really cute. I love it. I love the wings. Oh my god. So you guys, tell me what I think about this outfit in the comment section. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, let's go to the last one. The last but not the least. Okay. So you guys, this is final outfit for this haul. Okay. This is a beach set. Whatever you can call it. So it has pants, it's full length pants. It has a crop top, a very small top that can be tied at the back, yeah, then tied here. So you can either take this off and then let it down here, or you tie it up there. And you also have a kimono. This kimono is very long kimono, guys. I'm gonna put it on. Okay. This is what it looks like. This material is really nice. It's like chiffon. It was like really cold chiffon. So I don't know. I can't just tell what type of material it is, but it's really lovely material. And I love it, guys. I love it. And it somehow matches my skin tone. Yeah. Like this is like my skin tone. Literally. This one. This is literally like my skin tone. I've loved to show you guys the full length of this, but I'm sorry, my room is not big enough for that. But I'll try my best. So, but it's really lovely. It's really, really lovely, you guys. Like, just picturing myself in the beach right now, in Miyokan or Grace, on the beach, like flying with. Oh my god, it's gonna be really, really cute. Like, really lovely. It's, this is like so far my best. I love it, love it, love it. So, you guys, we've come to the end of this haul. Okay, so I would really love you guys to see the full length of this outfit. So this is the full length of this outfit, guys. Like, it's really, really long, like really long. So you see, touching the floor literally. The train is quite long and it's full. This is like a very perfect outfit for holiday, you know. And it's really lovely. Love it. So you guys, come to the end of this haul, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to comment. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.